Now let's talk about exporting high-quality video from After Effects 2025. You've got two ways: directly through After Effects or using Adobe Media Encoder. First, let's do it inside After Effects. Go to File and Export, then Add to Render Queue. Here in the Render Queue, check your render settings. Make sure quality is set to Best and resolution is set to Full. Adjust the time range if needed, then hit OK. Next, go to the Output module. Choose the format you want for your video and confirm the settings. Then, under Output 2, pick the location where you want to save your file, rename it, and hit Render. Done. Now the second method, using Adobe Media Encoder. Once you select it, Media Encoder will open automatically and load your file. If you've used Premiere Pro before, the interface will feel familiar. Just choose your format, usually H.264. Pick a preset, set your location, and make sure Use Maximum Render Quality is checked. Finally, hit the green play button and your export is ready in seconds. That's it. Two easy ways to export high-quality videos from After Effects 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Adobe tips. Even the basics can save you time.